Here the topic is data analysis. What is actually data analysis? Data analysis is defined as a process by which data is processed and converted into information or information that can be decision making information. Okay, we saw in a previous video what is the difference between data, information and knowledge. So in data analysis means converted information into decision making information. So using that we can conclude something. Okay, so the data analysis process helps to reduce a large chunk of data into smaller or more logical pieces. Means reduce the large chunk of data means we have a data which are not actually required in our article or not actually required in our research paper or in our paper. So we remove unnecessary data from that, and we just derive that data derived from that logical pieces of data. Okay, logical pieces means which have something, some meaning. Okay, logical meaning. As we see in a figure, like how the share market works and how the data analysis works in this. Okay, now the data statistics helps improve a corporate efficiency and customer performance and meet a competitive limits and increase the revenue tools. As we know how it is effect on a corporate words and how it is a effect on a customer service. Okay, assist the organization's research and development team in adopting or rejecting scientific models, ideas. Okay, how a scientific people research about that and how they are go through that data analysis field. Okay, data analysis tools use a historical or a real time data to process and record result. Okay, it is used also in a real time process. Okay, we know that how share market work and how our trending, all these things. Data analysis method include experimental data analysis, okay, EDA, and validate data analysis, CDA. Okay, these both are the different methods, okay, that how they works. Now the EDA aims to find a patterns and relationship in a data provided, while CDA checks the authenticity of the idea about the data set. Okay, now assume that we have a data and we apply some relationship or we apply some process on that. Then we conclude about that. Yes, this is a data, and the CDA checks the authenticity of data about our data set, that the data is a valid or not. Okay, so EDA and CDA is a very different thing. Okay, we can say that EDA is in a lower level and CDA is in a higher level according to that. Okay, there are various types of data analysis measurement like quality data analysis, data mining, prediction analysis, machine learning. After complete, okay, now we are go through that what is actual process in data analysis. Okay, so the data analysis process or alternatively data analysis steps include collecting all information, processing it, analyzing the data and using it to find the patterns and other details. Like it contains data needs collection. Okay, this is basically collecting the information. Okay, ask yourself why you are doing this analysis, what kind of data analysis you want to use and what data you plan to analysis. Okay, this basically says that what is the purpose that we want to find the data and what kind of data that we need and what data you plan to analyze. Okay, if we are making some research paper or if we are making some software, then we first want to exact requirement of a customer, that which type of customer have requirement, and then we see what kind of data analysis, what kind of data that require in software. Okay, and what you plan means which method we follow to develop a software or to write a research paper. Okay, so these all are the three basic topics that how we collect our data for data analysis. Okay, now the data collection. Okay, uh, based on the needs you have, identify it is a time to collect data from your source. Okay, we have various sources available, like we have internet. On internet we have lots of research paper available for that. Also we have books available how to collect the data. Okay, source include case studies, surveys, interviews, questions, direct observation, and focus groups. Okay, in the case study you have cases like how many types of cases available, surveys, previous surveys available. uh, okay, in research paper we have a surveys available, like how uh, in which year what type of research available. In the interviews we have a valid question answer available, like which type of current topic that need to attend. Okay, in a direct observation. Okay, direct observation means in a business, if we have a loss, then we have draw attention about how it becomes loss. Like in a trend market, every times it goes ups and down. So this all are the facts. Okay, focus groups means group discussion is also available. Okay, it means a review of your colleagues and your researchers, all these things available. Make sure you added the collected data for data analysis. Yes, this sentence means every times we have to update our data. Like we have to update our data every time. So if we collecting information for a software development, then we have to every time ask to customer about a weekly basis or about a monthly basis that it is perfect or not. So we have to collect the information, we have to collect feedback for that. So this sentence means we have to update our data every time. Now what is a data cleaning? Okay. Now we are gathering all the types of data that we require. Okay, but every data is not a straightforward meaning. Okay, it may be some error in the data. Okay, and there is something malicious data is available, which is a wrong content data is available. So for that we need a data cleaning. Okay, not all data you collect will help, so it's a time to clean up. Okay, clean up means we have to just remove erroneous data, we have to remove a data which contains a duplication of data, and we have to remove a malicious data. Okay, so this process where you have to remove a white space, duplicate records, and basic errors. Data cleaning is a mandatory before submitting information for analysis. Okay, data cleaning, we can connect this using our software development example. Like we have to first remove the error from software after like we applying testing for that. Okay, so this is same for apply for about data. Okay, now the exact data analysis process is done. Okay, here is where you have data analysis software and other tools to help you to interpret and understand the data and come to conclusion. To interpret and to understand means what is exact data, why it is used, and now it is perfect for a customer or for our researcher. Okay, and the data analysis tool include Excel sheet, Python, R language, Looker, RapidMiner, Chartio, MATLABs, Redash, and Microsoft Power BI. So these all are the tools that we apply data. Okay. Data visibility. Data visibility is a great way to clearly show your information in a way that people can read and understand. After applying data analysis, we put our data, so people can take a decision, or people can easily identify what is the actual thing that we want to say to people. Okay, so after all this method, we have to just put our data in internet. Okay, we can say that you can use a charts, graphs, maps, alphabetic points, or many other methods. Okay, we can say it is a visualization method. So using that method, customer or people can easily identify what is the actual visualization. Okay. Visualization helps you to find important information by helping you compare a data set and relationship. Again, what is actual data set and which is the relationship between them? This data visibility we see in a uh, last page, like after applying, how the data look like. It is like a flame chart. Okay, using a flame chart we can take some decision. Using a column chart and bar chart, using a column chart we have a government, non-profit fund, foundation, consulting, and other orders, and all these categories, that how many types of people include in all these things. We can easily identify this like 89 people is connected with government, 57 is connected with non-profit, 37 connected with foundation. Okay, but if we write that data in a manner, in a written format, then it is not convenient for user. Okay, using a graphical representation we can easily or a user can easily identify that which type of data it is. Okay, also vertical manner is also available for that, like younger than 90 people is which is younger than 30. So we can easily identify that it is a senior citizen or not, or it is a younger or not. Okay,